Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a DoorDash account. So let's get started. So if you want to create a DoorDash account, then first what you have to do is download and install DoorDash application. So what you can do is open up your Play Store, and in search bar you can search for DoorDash. And after searching for that, now you can find your DoorDash application. So now what you have to do is just tap on install and then complete this installation process. So after completing the installation process, now what you can do is just simply open up your DoorDash application that you have just installed. And after opening up your DoorDash, you just have to let it launch. And now what you can do is just simply create an account. So now what you can do is just simply continue with your Google, continue with your Facebook, or continue with your Apple ID. Or what you can do is just simply tap on continue with email and then manually enter your email and password. So I'll just simply tap on continue with email. So after tapping on continue with email, now in order to create an account, what you have to do is just tap on sign up, which is on the top right corner of your screen. So you will find this sign up option, just tap on it, and now you just have to enter your first name, last name, email address, and your mobile number. So before entering your mobile number, just select your country code, and after selecting it, just enter your mobile number. So after entering your mobile number, now what you can do is just simply tap on sign up, and after tapping on sign up, you will successfully create your account. So before creating an account, you might have to enter a verification code. So just enter the verification code that you'll receive in your mobile number, and after entering it, just tap on sign up, and after tapping on sign up, you'll successfully create an account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a DoorDash account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.